I think people love simple shelter. They love the idea that there's a evocative path somewhere that they might be able to follow. There's also the idea of talking to the animals like in the Garden of Eden. So I think this sculpture kind of hits at a lot of different points in the human condition. Beckons people into a fantasy world where for just a minute you forgive the rest of the world and focus on this kind of primal feelings that might come up when you're in there, or you might think about a walk in the woods you just took, or hike, or a fort that you wished you had built as a child, or bird nest you've seen. My name is Patrick Dougherty. I'm from Chapel Hill, North Carolina. My job is to make sculptures that are evocative and really excite people's imagination. I would say there's probably 30,000 pounds of material there, and we used almost every stick. We worked on this piece with a number of student volunteers, a number of professors. Some staff came and worked with us, and we worked as a great team. We usually had 5 volunteers at any one time, plus myself and my son Sam, who's my assistant. We kind of direct people into the things that we'd like them to do, and over a period of time, the things really start to develop. You have just a big pile of sticks. People are doubting that anything could possibly happen. As the process builds, it gains in credibility, the illusion becomes stronger, and it adds to the kind of a deeper satisfaction at the end that the thing turned out and everybody's pretty happy with it.